How to add payment method on Shopify. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to add payment method on Shopify. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. To do that, what we need to do is just head over to our settings on our Shopify right here. You can see this on the bottom left corner. And after you have clicked on the settings, you can see in here the payments. So click on payments. And then you can see in here the payment providers that you can see, but as you can see by default they have PayPal. So you can just click on this add payment methods, and then you can search payment methods, or you can also search by provider. So for example, we want to search for Visa. As you can see, it will appear like this, and then after that you can just click on that specific payment method. Then you can also add in more. For example, you can add MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, and all of that. You can also just get these 12 providers, and they will offer these payment methods with zero transaction fee. Then you can click on this activate right here in order to activate that payment method. Click on that connect right here, and it will open a new tab on your computer, which will help you to install the app associated with that specific payment method. So you can just click on this install app right here. Then this Ocean payment, which is connected to Visa, will be connected. And then once you're in there, you can just head over and use that. You can also search for more if you want. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add payment method on Shopify. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!